Good morning, boys and girls. Are you ready for some math fluency? Here we go. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 3 plus 0 equals 3. Boys and girls, I want you to practice these every single day during the summer so you are lightning fast by the time you get to first grade in the fall. All right, let's practice our happy counting with numbers from 10 to 20. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. I'd also like you to practice this over the summer. And a great way to do this outside would be to use some sidewalk chalk and make a big number line that goes all the way from 0 to 20. And then you can pick a number to start on, and you can either count backwards by jumping down the number line, or you can go up. So keep going up, turn it around, coming down, turn around, go back up. Great way to practice outside and get some exercise. Another thing that we'd like you to do all summer long is practice writing your numbers. So you can either put them in a box like I have them, it's just a little easier to keep organized, or you can just go ahead and write them. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, when you go down to the next row, the easy way to remember it is you're going to add one group of 10 and then bring the 1 down. Add your group of 10 and bring the 2 down. Add your group of 10 and bring the 3 down. Add your group of 10 and bring the 4 down. It's a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add your 1, bring your 5 down. Add your 1, bring your 6 down. Add your 1, bring your 7 down. Add your 1, bring your 8 down. Add your 1, bring your 9 down. And then, of course, we need our 2 groups of 10 and 0 ones. So I'd like you to practice writing those numbers all summer long too. Another thing that you should be super great at by the time you go to first grade in the fall. And our last thing we're going to do today is I've drawn my hands here because I want to have the group of 10 to start with. And I need you to put up your fingers and tell me how many more would I need to make 14. So I have my 10, and how many more will you hold up? If you're holding up 4, good for you. 14 is a group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and a group of 4. All right, here's my group of 10. The number I'm making is 17. So I've got my group of 10. How many do you need to make? If you are holding up 7, good for you. 17 is a group of 10 and a group of 7. All right, here's our last one. I have my group of 10. And I'm going to make the number 12. Go ahead, hold up. How many more will I need? If you are holding up 2, good for you. 12 is a group of 10 and a group of 2. Nice job, boys and girls. It has been so much fun doing Math Fluency with you for the last few months. Thank you for listening and working along with me.
Hi, Eastview Kindergarten. It's time to do a little math. Come on over here with Mrs. Knight. Okay, I would love for you to look at this number line. I did bring out my Lego, not mine, but my son's, and I'm going to have him sit right here. I'm going to call out a number, and then you say to yourself, like a little bit of skywriting. Remember how you would do this? Maybe in your classroom we did, but you write in the sky, you go like this. So if I said the number 20, if you do skywriting, you go like this, 20. So I'm going to call out a number and you skywrite it. All right, ready, set, let's practice one. 14. It would be this one. So it's 1, 4. Okay, so I want you to right now think of 14. There it is. 1 less. So what would that be? Do your skywriting. 1, 3. It would be 13. Great. Okay, let me move Batman again. I'm going to call out a number. The number is going to be 17. Ready? Do your skywriting. 1 across the top, pull. 17. What would be 1 less than 17? Do your skywriting. Ready, set, go. 1, 6. 16. We'll do one more. Let's see. Batman wants to try this number. He's going to fly over to this number. 12. Do skywriting. 1, 2. Now think, what would be 1 less than that? 1 less. That means take away 1. Did you think 11? If you did, you are correct. Let's do skywriting. 1, 1. Great. We're going to do a little bit of work over here on this big board. Now, when we're doing math, we always want to look for patterns. So let's take a look at this big chart I have for you today. You might say, I see some numbers here. 20, blank, 18, blank, 16. Those seem to be numbers we've been working on. It looks like they're not going in order of 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Instead, we're going backwards. I see 20, blank, 18, blank, 16. So that's one thing I see. Then I look here and I go, ooh, I see some red circles. They look the same. And then I see some green X's. I wonder if these together make 20. So I'm going to double check that. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it looks like that's a group of 10. I'm going to put the number 10 right there. Let's check the X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there's 10 there. And you might be saying a pattern, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Now, let's take a look. We thought this was going backwards, and we thought maybe the answer was going to be 20 blank 18. Maybe you're thinking 19. So let's check this. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, those are exactly the same. So that's a pattern. You're looking for things that are a little same or different. All right, let's take a look at this. When I look at this with my eye, I go, ooh, it looks like there's one less here. Right here, there's an X that is not the same as this one. So that tells me, I bet if one less, it's probably one less than 10. I bet it's 9. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I put a 9 here, and I have a 10 here, because we know that our numbers, and these bigger numbers always have one group of 10. 10 plus 9 equals what number? Let's see, it was hidden under here. There it is, 19. All right, now I would like us together. I'm going to do one with you. We're going to do another one right now. So you get a paper or go get a whiteboard, and you're going to help me make 18 right now, but we're going to follow this pattern. So if you need to pause me, go ahead, you can. All right, let's do 18. 18, so I'm going to do the same. My pattern is 10 circles. So let's make them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing a whisper count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There they are. It's going up a line. All right, so there's my 10. I'm going to put a line right there to extend it. And then how many would I need? How many X's up here? Well, this is a clue. One group of 10, and then there's that number 8. That tells me, ooh, I need 8 more. So let's do a whisper count, and you go ahead and make your X's. You can do 2 different colors you want. It doesn't matter. Let's do 8. So I have 10. I'll whisper count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I notice there's a bit of a pattern. 1 less. 8 is 1 less than 9. Notice that the X's are going down. It's like going down a set of stairs. All right, let's try the next one. What do you think the next one would be? 20, 19, I'm counting backwards, 18, blank, 16. Are you thinking there's a pattern here? 9, 8, 7, 6. When you're solving math and looking for answers, always look for patterns. And it is 17. So let's put those 10 circles in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10. How many X's would you need? I want you to finish your X's, this part, for 17, and then you can go ahead and work on 16. Now remember, when you do it, this one is going to be 1 less. You'll notice that these are going down. These are patterns you're looking for. So probably this is going to get a little smaller and smaller. The numbers are getting littler and littler. So this is showing less. Each time it's 1 less. All right, boys and girls, you finished 17 and 18, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.